For the hybrid vehicles with a high voltage technology, there's some special regulations which must be followed if a customer comes to you in the workshop. Only specially qualified personnel may carry out servicing and repair work on hybrid vehicles. There are exceptions for service advisors. They may advise the customer, test drive the vehicle and wash it without special instruction. With general servicing work, the high voltage system does not need to be switched off. No special marking of the vehicle is necessary when you drive it into the workshop. But employees who carry out the servicing work on the vehicle must have taken the high voltage sensibilization course, because only with this course may the employee open the bonnet of a hybrid vehicle. This requirement is also shown in the star diagnosis. For the agreed work or works on the high voltage system, it must be deactivated. To do this, you require a high-level voltage qualification, as well as a product qualification corresponding to the vehicle. If you do not have both of these qualifications, then please get a colleague who has. You carry out the deactivation and the reactivation process with the support of the star diagnosis. Open the control device menu. Here you find the control device DC-DC converter. Please read the safety tips and confirm with F3. Then choose high-level voltage onboard power deactivation protocol. On this page, the individual steps are described. Before you begin with the deactivation, select the actual values. To do this, switch on the ignition. The voltage of the control devices must be between 48 and 150 volts. If this is the case, with at least two of the indicated values, then you can continue with F3. Otherwise, press F4. This process checks the plausibility of the indicated values. In our example, everything's okay. Switch the ignition off again and check whether the actual values indicate power. The electricity of the high voltage onboard power must be lower than 48 volts with at least two of the indicated devices. With us, this is the case. Now install the high voltage engaging lock on the HV plug of the DC-DC converter of the lithium-ion high voltage battery. You can order the HV engaging lock with this number. The lock ensures that no unauthorized personnel can remove it once installed. Remove the HV plug from the DC-DC converter of the lithium-ion high voltage battery and put on the HV engaging lock. Press the lock and the lock is engaged. Keep the key for the lock in a safe place so that during the work no one can start the vehicle. Check the multifunction display whether the high voltage onboard power is really deactivated. As you can see, this is the case. For the last important step, fill out the connection protocol. Also print the protocol out and sign it. This connection protocol proves that the vehicle is deactivated. Place it on the vehicle in good view. Then the work can be started. Once the work is finished, the vehicle can be put into operation again by a colleague with a HV qualification. The operation is also confirmed with a printout and a signature. You find instructions which describe the process in this. When the work is done, the deactivation, reintroduction and order documents must be filed. The qualification and measures mentioned are regulations of the Professional Association of Mechanics and are present for accident prevention reasons.